Hello, let's take a look at my bearish and bullish scenarios for Bitcoin, starting with the finished diagonal, where this is basically the end of the bull market, and now we're looking for a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, and so on, way lower prices. The other two scenarios is this is the expanded flat, so here we have wave A, wave B, and now similar move as the bear scenario, but this time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically finishing a wave C, way deeper. But after wave C, we expect a move up because this is a corrective structure. And the other bullish scenario is exactly the same as the last one, A, B, but this time we count wave C as an ending diagonal. 3, 4, 5 to finish wave C, and after that we move up. So on the lower time frames, this is the move down now on the 30-minute chart. And it is important on the lower time frames to check the price action, because that basically determines which scenario has the highest probability. If we move up and take out this, you see the wave 4 invalidation at 100817 before taking out this low here, then the probabilities have changed to this being complete, the ending diagonal, because this requires a bit more downside if you are counting it like this. So if we touch this, as I mentioned, before moving down and taking out this low, then we might consider that the ending diagonal is finished. But in order to do so, we really need a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, an impulse, and then a corrective structure down before we can safely assume that we are finished with this move down. The other scenario is that we are counting this as a W, X, and possibly a wave Y. And here we are taking out this low. So if we don't move up and take out this wave 4 invalidation, right now the probabilities are way higher to take out this low once again, because it fits also with the count for the ending diagonal as well. So the bias is taking out this low, as I said, if we don't take out this before. And the ending diagonal, it's also important to know where the invalidation for this is. When does this scenario becomes invalid? It is by taking out either this or this, and I will explain why I have two lines. So the first line here is if we take wave 5 here and we check when wave 5 becomes longer here, 100% compared to wave 3, then this no longer qualifies as an ending contracting diagonal, because wave 5 cannot be longer than wave 3 in a contracting diagonal. And we are on the log scale right now. But if we are not on the log scale, then this wave 5 ends on this at 90.096. So which one of these will we use? Well, in a situation like this, it's very important to basically be better safe than sorry. So I wouldn't bet everything that it's invalidated here. I would wait for this to be invalidated, because when you use log scale is when price is moving like 100% or something like that. So this is a little bit in between when to use log scale or not. So I would be mindful of this before I can safely disregard this scenario. So, but take a look at the local price action. If we get an impulse up, taking out this with a 3-wave correction, this is where you enter for a long position. But if we don't get that, as it is right now, it has a higher probability of taking out this low. And if we take out that low and stay above these lines, and after that show a 5-wave move up with a 3-wave down, then it is time to go long. Not financial advice, this is just something that I am looking for. So I hope that this was explanatory for you, and that you liked the video, and I hope also that you have a great weekend as always.